Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to get a referral code in the Viewpoint app. First, open the Viewpoints app on your mobile device. Now tap on Continue to proceed. Then tap on Continue again to move to the sign-in screen. Here, enter your phone number or choose to continue using your Facebook account depending on the options available to you. Once you're signed in, complete any required setup steps and wait for the app's home screen to load. Now look for an option called Resume Program, Invite Friends, or something similar in the menu or account section. If the referral program is available for your account, you will see a referral code or a referral link displayed here. Next, tap on the option and copy your referral code, or use the share button to send the referral link directly to your friends and family. When someone signs up using your referral code or link and meets the program requirements, you may become eligible for referral rewards based on the app's terms. If you do not see the referral option, your account may not currently be eligible for the referral program. Eligibility can depend on factors such as your region, account status, or whether the feature has been rolled out to your account. Make sure your account is fully set up and check the app regularly for updates, as referral features may become available later. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.